What's going on, my people? This is Alfred. Welcome back to our channel. And today, at least on this video, I had to sneak back inside. It started raining on me. I got a little bit wet. Probably could tell from my shirt, but I snuck back inside and I thought I'd do a little video on some knife work. All right, so this is a cutting skills demonstration. Guys, very important in this business that I'm in to know all of your tools. If there is anything that I can offer here, is to practice as much as you can. Yes, knifeless tape is very important, and you are going to have many situations that you're going to want to use knifeless tape, especially on surfaces that have paint, different glass you also don't want to cut into, but there's situations when you're dealing with very small items. This is the door handle to our Nardo Silverado Chevy pickup truck, the 1500 that we've been working on. So as I was doing the rear door, I removed the handle, brought it inside, and notice I did slow down the video a little bit so you guys can take a closer look. What I do here, at least my workflow when I'm working door handles, is do the inlay sections or the flat sections before I do the bigger, what I call panels. So that's what I just showed you. And now I'm working on the bigger section where I am laying down vinyl, basically just pressing it all down, making sure that it's nice and smooth. I am using heat. You always want to have heat as your friend. And as I'm doing right now, guys, you want to have a fresh blade. You snap your blade and you come right into it. Now, what I do need to mention is that you guys want to be absolutely familiar with your tools. I am very familiar with knives. This is coming from darn near 30 years. I am a bona fide chef, guys. I'm classically trained. Knives are literally my other hand. So I know how important it is to be able to work your blade. Guys, get familiar with your blade. Get familiar with the angle of the blade. The one that I have right now is a 30-degree angle blade. So if you can tell, I am only using the very tip of this blade. I very seldomly use the flat edge of the blade, unless the specific cut or part of the vehicle that I'm working on requires a flat edge cut. So I'm done with the end cap. Now I'm actually grabbing the handle. Yes, both of these were fully cleaned, degreased prior to this video recording. And same idea with this one. I start off on the flat end, what would be the inlay, work that portion, and then I do the long part of the handle. So here, after I've cut off the excess material, now I start working my line. Essentially, on these handles, there is a portion on the inside of the handle that it's actually rubberized. There is no actual paint. So I want to make sure that the material is absolutely flat, secured. So I'm using my hands, definitely pressuring them down. Then I come back with heat before I go in with my knife. So guys, if you are finding value in the information that I am sharing with you, I would highly appreciate if you hit that like button. If you are not on my community here on this channel yet, I would love to have you on, guys. Follow along, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you think about doing some door handle wraps. Have you tried this before? Let me know of any questions. I know that there are some things that I've done off of camera as far as prepping the material. I did do a cold stretch before applying here. I can show you that, but these are the kind of questions that I'm looking for, guys. If there's anything in specific, if you've tried these type of things before, by all means, shoot the questions my way. I like to call myself a jack of all trades and a master of none. So what I do know, I am willing to share, guys. Again, thank you for your likes. Definitely subscribe. So here's where I slow down the video. I want to make sure you guys are getting a clear view of what I'm doing. I definitely slow down. You don't want to rush through any of these cuts. I am using everything to my advantage as far as lighting. And this material is quite reflective. It is the same material that we use on our Black Demon project. That's our Harley Davidson. It's actually right behind me if you saw it on the video. So I'm doing these highlight details in two-toning the truck. So that's why we're using this color. I absolutely love it. Again, it is kind of reflective, but it's not a chrome color, but there's definitely a shine to this material when the light hits it. And I use that shine to make sure that I'm not going outside of my line. Definitely want to have a good view on what you are cutting. Never do a blind cut or cutting by feel. Don't trust that. Don't trust that at all, especially if you're working on somebody else's vehicle. Okay, so as we're coming to the end of the video, I once again just want to express my gratitude for those of you that are following along on my journey here on this awesome project called V-Twin Skins. Again, we handle everything from motorcycles, cars, trucks, vans, commercial vehicles. We wrap it all, guys. If you have any questions, definitely reach out. Once again, thank you for joining me on this journey. Looking forward to the next video.